It's Brianna from Brianna Laraga, and today, my mom uh, went to this shop that they sell like stuff for bracelets and like necklaces and stuff, so all that kind of stuff. I don't know what the store is called, but I don't know. She just got it there. But yeah, there's these prizes that I have no idea what there is. She put it in slime so I could just show it to you guys and just break it apart and stuff. And she got it so I could make bracelets also. See that? You hear that? And if you're wondering what this is, my ear, my mom put a cotton ball and with like vapor rub so it could help my ear infection because my ear hurts a lot, and I just went to the hospital, but it doesn't matter. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you ever had an ear infection. So let's get on with the video. So let's just start by taking some stuff out. So wow, she got me this little circly thingy that I think has like orange and yellow mixed together. I don't know. But she got that. And I'm gonna put it right here. You could definitely make a bracelet out of these. Or a necklace, whatever you need. So let's see what else she gets. She gets this shoe. You could also make a bracelet or a necklace out of that. That's pretty awesome. Oh my gosh, we got another ball. We got another ball, guys. So we got 2 so far. You could actually make a bracelet out of these if you have more, and I think I'm gonna have more, so as you can see that. And so yeah. So that's what we have so far. We have 3. So the next thing we get is another ball. So we could actually make bracelets out of these, but see, we got another ball. We got 3 balls. And only one gem. So let's see if we get more. Oh, we got 2 gems actually. A dolphin and a shoe. So yeah. We could actually make bracelets out of these also. We got another gem. It's a bear. A red bear. So we got 3. We got 3 of these and 3 of these. Okay. Let's see what else we got. We got another ball. So now we have 4 balls. See, guys? We have 4 balls. And then, we got another gem. We got a bear. Another bear. We got 2 bears. One red one, and I think this one is blue. So we could actually make bracelets out of these, guys. Okay, see. See, guys? And we could also make bracelets out of these. We could make bracelets out of these too. Wow. Let's see what else we get. Oh my gosh, I think that's all we have, guys. Is it? Oh no, wait. Oh my god. Oh no, never mind. That's not anything. It's anything. Oh my god. So, oh yeah, we got something else. We got another shoe, guys. This one's a purple one, and we got this pink one too. So yeah, that's all we have, guys. So we could actually make bracelets out of these gems, and we could make bracelets out of these colorful circles. Colorful circles. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. So this is all we have. Some of them fell. Okay, that's all we have. So I'm gonna show you. We have this, I think blue bear. And we have this red bear, which is the gems. We have another gem that is a dolphin. We have another gem that is a purple shoe, and this dolphin is a blue dolphin. And this gem is a purple shoe. And we also have this pink shoe, this gem that is a pink shoe. That's all the gems, and these are the circles. Like the little balls. I call them circles, but we have this green with orange ball. We have this orange with yellow ball. We have this pink with orange ball. And we have this pink with neon orange ball. So yeah, that's all we have for the prizes. That's all we got in the slime. So now, since we're done, we could play with the slime. Whoa. Wow. And it has glitter, guys. It has glitter. Whoa. So thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe on my channel. Comment if you have any questions about this video and my other videos, and subscribe on my channel again, and like this video and like my other videos, and yeah, and yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye.